Skateboard to the face. Because otherwise you can really hurt yourself.
So, who's the big kid now?